Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. What if your next smartphone wasn't just another upgrade but a complete reimagining of what a phone can be? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is on the horizon, and while Apple hasn't officially revealed it yet, the leaks and rumors are already painting an exciting picture of what's to come. Every year, Apple pushes the envelope of innovation, but this time, they seem to be taking things to an entirely new level. With a cutting-edge design, unmatched performance, AI-powered intelligence, and a camera system designed for professionals, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the biggest leap forward we've seen in years. So, what makes this iPhone so special? Let's break it all down and see what could make the iPhone 17 Pro Max Apple's most advanced smartphone yet. Apple has always been known for its sleek, premium designs, but this time, they're going even further. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature a more futuristic, refined look, with nearly invisible bezels and a frame made from an advanced, ultra-light yet highly durable material. Leaks suggest Apple might use a new titanium alloy, enhancing the phone's durability while giving it a premium feel. Another major upgrade could be a more compact and streamlined camera module, making the back of the phone smoother and more uniform. As for the front, the dynamic island could shrink even further, maximizing screen space for a more immersive experience. And to top it off, Apple may introduce new color options, giving users fresh and stylish choices. Everything about this design screams cutting edge, making the iPhone 17 Pro Max not just beautiful but also a pleasure to hold and use. When it comes to displays, Apple always sets a high standard, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to take things up a notch. Rumors suggest it will feature an upgraded OLED panel with even higher brightness levels, making it easier to use in direct sunlight. The refresh rate could be more adaptive than ever, dynamically adjusting depending on whether you're scrolling, watching videos, or gaming, ensuring a seamless, power-efficient experience. Additionally, Apple might introduce an enhanced anti-reflective coating to reduce glare, improving visibility outdoors. With deeper colors, sharper contrast, and incredible accuracy, the iPhone 17 Pro Max's display is shaping up to be one of its biggest highlights, making everything from movies to social media scrolling more immersive than ever. Apple never holds back when it comes to performance, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be a powerhouse. It's rumored to pack the all-new A19 Pro chip, designed for extreme efficiency, speed, and AI-powered optimizations. Everything from launching apps to video editing and multitasking will feel smoother and more responsive. Apple might also introduce a new cooling system to prevent overheating, ensuring sustained high performance even during heavy gaming or intensive tasks. Battery life is expected to see a major boost as well. With improved efficiency and power management, users could enjoy longer usage times without constantly reaching for a charger. If true, this could make the iPhone 17 Pro Max one of the longest-lasting iPhones yet. Apple has always been at the forefront of smartphone photography, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be a game-changer. Rumors suggest it will feature a significantly larger sensor, improving low-light performance and capturing more detail in every shot. AI-driven image processing is expected to enhance colors, sharpness, and contrast, ensuring that every photo looks professional. The telephoto lens could see a major upgrade, delivering better optical zoom without losing detail. Portrait mode is also rumored to be more refined, capturing finer details and creating more natural subject separation from the background. Video recording could get a major enhancement with next-level stabilization and higher frame rates for smoother footage. Whether you're taking spontaneous snaps or shooting high-quality videos, the iPhone 17 Pro Max's camera will likely impress. Nobody likes a phone that struggles to make it through the day. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to come with a significantly improved battery system that lasts longer and charges faster. Apple is reportedly working on software and hardware optimizations to enhance power efficiency, while wireless charging could become quicker and more convenient. There are also whispers about Apple's adaptive charging technology, which could learn your daily habits to extend battery health over time. If true, this means less time plugged in and more time using your device the way you want. Artificial intelligence is becoming a bigger part of our daily smartphone experience, and Apple is expected to take AI-powered features to the next level with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Siri could receive a massive upgrade, making it more conversational and proactive in anticipating user needs. AI-driven enhancements may extend to photography, with the phone intelligently suggesting the best camera settings based on lighting conditions and subject detection. Even everyday tasks like organizing apps, predicting your next action, or automating repetitive functions might see major improvements. AI won't just make the phone smarter, it'll make your experience smoother and more effortless. In an era where staying connected is more important than ever, Apple is expected to push wireless connectivity to new heights. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature improved 5G and Wi-Fi capabilities, offering faster download speeds, stronger signal reliability, and better power efficiency while staying connected. With upgraded antennas and a next-generation modem, users could experience a more stable connection even in challenging environments. Whether you're streaming, working remotely, or making video calls, this iPhone will ensure you stay seamlessly connected. Apple's iOS 19 is expected to introduce a host of new features that will make using the iPhone 17 Pro Max more intuitive than ever. A smoother interface, smarter notifications, and enhanced privacy controls will provide a more personalized and secure experience. Apple might also introduce new customization options, giving users more control over how their home screen looks and functions. Privacy will continue to be a top priority, with improved security features ensuring that your data remains protected. Everything about iOS 19 is designed to complement the power of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, creating a seamless and intelligent user experience. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another smartphone, it's expected to redefine what we expect from mobile technology. With a futuristic design, an incredible display, next-level performance, and a professional-grade camera system, this phone is shaping up to be Apple's most impressive release yet. Whether you're a longtime Apple fan or considering switching to an iPhone for the first time, everything about the iPhone 17 Pro Max suggests it will be worth the wait. But here's the big question: are you ready to upgrade? Will the new design, powerful camera, and AI-driven features be enough to convince you? Or will you hold out to see what Apple does next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Vision Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest tech. We'll be covering all the official announcements as they happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.